Welcome back to YouTube Educational Tutors. Hope all of you are well, and I think that you have already come to know by seeing the thumbnail that I am going to upload the second part of degree change. If you have not yet seen the first part of degree change, then go to the playlist section and click on it, and you will find all the series of it and also the other things related in English. Okay. So in the first section I have told you that how you transform a sentence of positive degree into a comparative and a superlative one, and in this part I will show you how to change a sentence of comparative degree to a positive degree and a superlative degree. Okay, so let's get started. Now I am going to write a sentence of comparative degree. The sentence may be like this, that Rahul is taller than any other boy. Okay. Rahul is taller than any other boy, and when you transform it into positive degree, then you have to start the sentence with no other. Why you will use no other? Because there are two different kinds of sentences of comparative degree. In one sentence you will find that than any other, and I will show it later. In that sentence you will find here than most other. So if you find in a sentence of comparative degree than any other, then you have to start the positive degree of that sentence with no other. Okay. So no other boy is, you have to write the verb is, because in the question section there is the verb of is. If you find here the past form of is, which means was, then you have to write here was. However, no other boy is as, here you have to write the positive degree of this word taller. The positive degree of taller is tall. As tall as, this is the format. Okay, no other boy is as tall as, and finally you have to write the subject of the question, and the subject is Rahul. So guys, finally at the end of this sentence you have to write the subject of the question, that is Rahul. So the answer is no other boy is as tall as Rahul. When you transform it into a superlative one, then you have to start the sentence with the subject of the question form. Okay, so the subject of the question is Rahul. So first of all you have to write Rahul. Rahul is, as there in the question there is, so you have to write the same verb here. Is, Rahul is the, and the word the is very important in the case of superlative degree. Without it the sentence would be wrong. So Rahul is the, and after the you have to write the superlative degree of the degree in the question, that is taller, tall, and the superlative degree of tall or taller is tallest. So here I have to write tallest. Rahul is the tallest. And what or who is Rahul? Rahul is a boy, and it is clear in the question that Rahul is taller than any other boy. So Rahul is a boy. You have to write at the end of the sentence Rahul is the tallest boy. So this is the answer. Okay. So you have to remember that in in the case of superlative degree, you must write the before the superlative degree. This is how you will be able to transform from comparative degree to positive and superlative one. Okay, then the question comes, how we can transform a sentence of superlative degree into positive and comparative. Okay, so that is why I am going to write another question of superlative degree. Suppose there is a sentence of superlative degree that Mita is the bravest girl. Suppose this is the question. Mita is the bravest girl. Now, when you try to transform it into positive and comparative degree, then like the first examples, the sentence should be started with no other, as in the question you have see only the. If you find in this question one of the, then the sentence of positive degree should be started with very few, but as you find here only the, not one of the, then you must start the sentence with no other. Okay, no other girl, this is how you have to start. No other girl is as, and the positive degree of this word is brave. You have to write here brave. No other girl is as brave as Mita. In this way you have to transform a sentence of superlative degree into a positive one. Okay, so no other girl is as brave as Mita. And when you try to transform it into comparative degree, then you have to start the sentence with Mita. Okay, with the subject of the question, Mita is, and here you have to write the comparative form of this word. Comparative form is bravest. Here is bravest, and you see here brave, bravest. So the comparative form will be by adding er with this word, and e is already with this word at the end of this word. So I have to only add r. Okay, brave, r. Mita is braver and than any other. Mita is braver than any other. You have to keep in mind this phrase, than any other, only in the case of the or no other. So Mita is braver than any other. So who is Mita or what is Mita? Sometimes you will find here an object not being, this is the name of a girl. Sometimes you will find here an object like the building or the bird, the cow, the elephant, etc., etc. So as here is Mita is the girl, Mita is the bravest girl, you have to write at the end of the sentence girl. So the answer is Mita is braver than any other girl. In this way, my dear students, you have easily to transform a superlative sentence of superlative degree into a positive one and a comparative one. So for watching this video fully, I especially thanks to all my subscribers and students.